Down syndrome is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of an extra chromosome in the body cells of humans. This extra chromosome occurs in a gamete as a result of blank. So some important things to highlight so that we know exactly what we're covering here in this question before we read the answer choices is this is a genetic disorder. It's caused by the presence of an extra chromosome, and we're going to see it occur in a gamete cell for some reason. So let's brainstorm. Whenever we see Down syndrome, or whenever we see an extra chromosome or one few chromosomes, remember that's called non-disjunction. And in non-disjunction, we can have either a trisomy, which means there's 3 chromosomes at one location where there's supposed to be 2, or we can have a monosomy, which means there's only 1 chromosome at the location where there should have been 2. So, in this case, since it's an extra chromosome, it's a trisomy. And Down syndrome happens to be a trisomy 21, which means this is located on the 21st chromosome if we were to look at a karyotype. So the question's asking, why does this extra chromosome occur in a gamete? Remember, gametes are our sex cells, and they're made in meiosis. So something goes wrong during meiosis that causes non-disjunction to take place. Let's read our answer choices. An error in the process of cloning. Well, honestly, cloning would be more of a mitosis than a meiosis, and meiosis is definitely not a cloning. When gametes are formed, they are all different, so this one's not going to be correct. B says an error in meiotic cell division. That sounds good because that's our meiosis right there, which is a type of cell division, and something went wrong causing non-disjunction. C says a gene mutation. Well, though it is a type of a mutation when the chromosome is missing or there's an extra, it's not in the gamete due to a gene mutation. A gene mutation would be in the DNA, and this is not because of a mutation in the DNA. This is because meiosis did not separate the chromosomes properly. So it's a different kind of a mutation there. Replication of a single chromosome during mitosis. Replication, remember, means to double or copy, make more. And in this case, even though there is an extra chromosome, it's not because of replication, of making identical chromosomes. It's because of failure to separate properly. So that's not our answer. Our answer is B, because there's an error in the meiosis cell division causing the gamete to have a trisomy.